Buenos días, mi gente. Mira, esa mañana vamos a tomar un cafecito. Bueno, hablando de un cafecito, yo quiero hablar de cultural differences. I think it's no surprise that when you travel, you go to other countries, there are different things that cultures do. Ahora bien, tomando un cafecito es común, it's very common across a lot of countries. Almost all countries, right? Pero I'll tell you this. Definitely feels common to have a little cafecito. If you're in La República Dominicana, maybe you're going to have it made out of a greca. But another thing that I really wanted to talk about is the size. I know this is no surprise because I think the United States has gotten a lot of slack about this compared to other countries in general, but I can definitely tell you for sure with the United States compared to the Dominican Republic, our sizes of food portions are different. So, por ejemplo, si yo voy a un restaurante en el Conde, tú sabes que, por ejemplo, hay un restaurante en la esquina en el Conde, and I ask for un cafecito. Mira, un cafecito, o sea, un café pequeño en los Estados Unidos. That same coffee es un tamaño grande en la República Dominicana. And no, not only there, but like I said, I think it's like that compared to a lot of countries. So, again, cultural differences, right? You can expect to see this in a lot of different countries, pero just know, tener un cafecito por la mañana is a thing here in the United States, but of course down there. ¿Qué más yo iba a decir? The sizes. That's the main thing I wanted to talk about is the size. If you get, again, if you order a size large in the Dominican Republic, that is a size small in the United States. Una locura. Anyway, eso es todo que yo tengo en ese tema esa mañana. Gracias por ver este video. Y como siempre, tú sabes, like, share, comment. I can try and be more consistent if I get a little bit more support. And also, if you didn't see, I have a side business and I created it's like a semi-bilingual 2025 planner with a money theme. There's a few pages in there that has Spanish in it. So if you want to help support in that way, please do check it out. I'll leave it in the comments. But yeah, gracias por ver este video. I'll see you in the next one.